You're on the money. Unraveling the meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, "You're on the money." Have you ever heard someone say it and wondered what it really means? Well, you're in luck because we're about to uncover everything you need to know about this expression. So, let's get started and find out why this phrase is so special. "You're on the money" is an idiom that means you are exactly right or precisely accurate. It's often used to acknowledge someone's correct answer, insight, or understanding of a situation. This phrase can be a form of praise or acknowledgement that someone has hit the nail on the head with their observation or statement. The phrase, "you're on the money," likely comes from gambling or betting contexts, where being on the money meant that your bet was accurate or that you had placed your money correctly on a winning outcome. Over time, this expression transcended its literal financial context to be used more broadly in everyday language, celebrating accuracy or correctness in any situation. To fully grasp the meaning of "you're on the money," let's look at some examples. In a quiz, imagine someone guesses the capital of France is Paris. You could say, "Absolutely, you're on the money." At work, if a colleague suggests a solution to a problem that turns out to be perfect, you might say, "That's it. You're on the money with that idea." In casual conversation, discussing who might win a football match, if someone predicts the winner correctly, you could use, "You were on the money with your prediction." These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, from formal to informal settings, to complement someone's accuracy or correctness. It's important to understand the appropriate contexts for using "you're on the money." Do use it when you want to praise someone's accuracy, insight, or correctness. It's perfect for informal and semi-formal settings. Avoid using it in very formal contexts or in situations where the phrase's gambling connotations might be misunderstood or deemed inappropriate. And there you have it. "You're on the money" is a versatile phrase that adds a touch of enthusiasm and acknowledgement to your conversations. Whether you're complimenting someone's correct answer or celebrating a well-made point, this expression is your go-to for highlighting precision and correctness. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you'll feel confident using "you're on the money" in your daily interactions. Don't forget to practice, and as always, happy learning. See you in the next video.